Christ King Educational Institutions arranged a summer camp for the students from 1st standard to 8th standard who belong to our school, as well as those who are studying in our school. In this summer camp, it is an excellent opportunity for our students to bring their extracurricular activities. This summer camp will continue for 5 days. In this summer camp, we have arranged a lot of activities like a paper craft, super minute game, clay modeling, paper craft, boot camp, picnic, snake show, etc.
My name is Hasna Zuman. I am from Sri Bonendra Vidyashala, Karkala. I am studying in class 5th. Today is our first summer camp day. Today we played Super Minute game and it had different games to play. And I also made a clay model of well. And I wish I could come to summer camp of Christ King School every year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sanjana. I am studying in class 6. I am from Dr. NSAM English Medium High School, Nishik. Today was the first day of our summer camp at Christ King. It was a lot of fun. First, we had the game of Super Minute. It was amazing and it was a lot of fun. Then we had the activity of clay modeling. It was my first time and Christ King has helped me make it memorable. It was, I did a pot and I made it with my friend. It was a lot of fun. The teachers and students of Christ King are very supporting and friendly. Today was the first day. Still there are 4 more days. I am so excited for the days to come. I would love to come next year. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Rakshita Shetty. Myself Purvika A. Sherigar. We are from Christ King English Medium School, Karkala. We are studying in 6th standard. Today we had summer camp and we had super minute games and clay modeling. In clay modeling we did the topic Save Forest. Day by day the trees are reducing. If you cut even a single one, plant one more. Thank you.
From Dr. NSAM English Medium High School, studying in class 6. This was my first and the best experience of mine in the summer camp. I enjoyed it a lot. At the first we played Super Minute and it was very nice. After that we did clay modeling, which was very nice. Me and my friend together did a pot. It was tough to do it, but at the end we were very happy with our result. I would be very happy to come on the next summer camp in Christ King. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Diksha Nayak. I am studying in class 6. I am waiting for the opportunity for our institution has arranged a summer camp. We had learned so many things such as clay modeling, super minute games. I am thankful to our institution for arranging such a summer camp. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Jona Pinto of 7th A. I'm studying in Karkala English Medium School. Today is the first day of our summer camp. Firstly, it was a school summer camp inauguration and I enjoyed a lot. Then we went for the clay modeling, crafts and at last we went for the boot camp. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Of class 7 and student of Karkala English Medium School. Today we had boot camp, craft and clay modeling. We enjoyed our summer camp very much. I thank this institution for motivating us. Thank you.
Studying in 6th standard. This is the first day of our summer camp and we enjoyed a lot. There were 2 games. The first was the supermarket and the second was the clay modeling. We enjoyed a lot. There were so many different items. Thank you, Karkala.